Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is to have an axe to grind. To have an axe to grind, which means have a private or selfish reason for doing or being involved in something. इसको हम उर्दू में अपना फ़ायदा देखना या कोई चीज़ सिर्फ अपने के फ़ायदे के लिए करना, इसको हम कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like she has her own axe to grind, thus she wants to join this department. यानी उनको सिर्फ अपना ही कोई फ़ायदा है जिसकी वजह से वो डिपार्टमेंट ज्वाइन करना चाहती हैं. So we have used here has her own axe to grind. Here is another sentence. When I see him strongly supporting someone who could be his rival, I cannot help but think that he has an axe to grind. So once again we have used here has an axe to grind.